In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your futures trading on Tradovate. We're focusing on the platform's built-in ATM strategies, which automatically apply stop loss, take profit, and trailing stops the moment your order fills. This keeps your risk management consistent and fast, so you're never scrambling to place protective orders after you're in a trade. Start by opening a futures chart or the SuperDOM, because ATM strategies can be configured in either place. On a chart, turn on the trading panel so you can see the order controls and the ATM strategy dropdown. Choose to create a new strategy. You'll define three key parts: your stop loss, your take profit, and, if you want the position to lock in gains as price moves, a trailing stop. For the stop loss, decide how far you're willing to risk on each trade, while most traders set this in ticks. Make sure that distance reflects your plan and the volatility of the instrument you're trading. For the take profit, set a realistic target that matches your strategy's edge. You can size it as a simple multiple of your stop or tailor it to recent structure, but keep it consistent with what you actually test and use. Next, configure the trailing stop if you want the stop to follow price automatically. You can set how many ticks price must move before the trail activates, how closely it follows, and whether it moves in steps or continuously. A common approach is to let the trade breathe initially, then tighten the trail after price moves in your favor. You can also include a break-even move, where the stop jumps to your entry after a certain unrealized profit. Save the strategy so you can reuse it. Or on the chart, select your ATM from the dropdown. Choose your order type, market, limit, or stop, and place the order. Once filled, you'll see your stop and target appear instantly as a linked bracket, so if one is hit, the other cancels automatically. You can drag these
Order
lines on the
rejected.
chart to fine-tune levels without breaking the link.
Order filled.
If you prefer the SuperDOM, the process is the same. Pick the ATM in the dropdown, place your order from the price ladder, and your bracket will attach the moment the trade fills. The SuperDOM makes it easy to adjust offsets quickly while watching the order flow. A few tips as you go. Define your ATM values in ticks and
Order
translate
filled.
that to real dollar risk for your product. Test the setup in a simulated environment to verify it behaves exactly as expected. And save multiple ATM presets for different market conditions. With this in place, you'll enter confidently
rejected.
and your exits
Order
will be
rejected.
handled automatically and consistently.